It's all in a name, and Coleman Light travel trailers are Keystone RV's lightweight solution for those who want an affordable quality RV that's towable by most SUVs and small trucks. These laminate travel trailers offer a modern, streamlined update to America's best-selling travel trailer lineup with options for couples and families across 7 floor plans. Today, we're taking a closer look at the models, specs, and features to see if Coleman Light may be right for you. Across the 7 models are 4 bunk-style campers, 2 rear bath models, and a rear kitchen floor plan. This way, singles, couples, large families, and everyone in between have their choice of a Coleman Light that fits their camping needs. The best part? Even the largest of these campers is still towable by an SUV. Yes, dry weights range from just under 2,700 pounds to just over 5,700 pounds, making them all SUV towable and easier on your wallet at the pump. In length, they range from just under 21 feet to 33.5 feet, with single and double axle models perfect for new and budget-conscious RVers. So why might a Coleman Light be a good travel trailer for you? Well, at the core of this lineup is an aerodynamic, lightweight design that's simply easier to tow. Easier on your tow vehicle, easier to park at the campsite, and less of a learning curve on the road for those who want a stress-free camping experience. Next, Keystone approached their Light series with a focus on practical camping, the right comfort in the right places, and based on feedback from real campers. Think taller ceilings and LED lit storage compartments, comfy living room slide outs, easier setups with powered tongue jacks, backup camera prep, and propane quick connect. Finally, a Coleman Light might be right for you if you're after all of this in a laminated travel trailer, again, at a more affordable price point. Now let's take a closer look at some of the floor plans from this lightweight lineup. The 17BX is a lightweight laminate version of the iconic Coleman 17B travel trailer, one of the most popular floor plans in America, offering families an easily towable single-axle bunk model that has everything you need to complete the camping experience, including a full bathroom, a kitchen with a 12-volt refrigerator, bunk beds, a queen bed with storage underneath, and a dining area with a removable table, all in a camper under 21 feet long. For the most classic of couples travel trailers, look no further than the 17RX, a sibling to the 17BX that features a larger full-width rear bathroom with a linen closet and a walk-around queen bed complete with nightstands, a wardrobe, an overhead shelf, and under-bed storage. A simplified kitchen includes a flush-mount 2-burner cooktop range, a stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet, and a 3.3 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. The 21RX is the only rear kitchen floor plan in this lineup. It's also the first private bedroom on our list. Keep the cooking, entertaining, and guests separate with a rear kitchen and living space that benefits from tons of natural light with oversized windows, an abundance of counter space, and a slide out for the couch. The 21RX also features 2 entrances, so you maintain independence no matter which side of the trailer you happen to be on. Speaking of private bedrooms, the 22BX is a family bunk model that gives parents sliding door privacy whenever needed. You've also upgraded to double over double bunks, which are great for older kids, and this floor plan exhibits several unique storage options under the bunk beds, behind the dining table, and in the bedroom beneath the queen bed. An L-shaped kitchen countertop rounds out this camper's family-friendly versatility. For a longer, wider, slide-out equipped bunkhouse camper, the 26BX is just a ticket. In the back of the camper, enjoy a separate entrance directly into the bathroom, followed by double over double bunks with storage-friendly steps. The expansive living area features a dinette, sofa, and extended kitchen counter space, but it wouldn't be complete without the private queen-size bedroom. The 29BX is the most substantial of the Coleman Light models, featuring 2 slide-outs, one in the living area, one in the bunk room, and it's the lineup's only fully private bunk room. This unique floor plan feels a bit more like a fifth wheel, with the large bunk room, a dedicated living area and entertainment space, plus a private bedroom. Each Coleman Light is built on a rugged steel I-beam frame with stamped cross members and full outriggers for added support. While lightweight by design, this foundation offers reliable strength and stability for everyday towing and campsite use. The aluminum frame structure is paired with laminated sidewalls and a durable yet lightweight fiberglass exterior panel, creating a tough, insulated shell without the added weight of traditional materials. To help reduce overall weight, Keystone strategically decided to forego a fully walkable roof in the Coleman Light series. Inside, however, you still get a generous 78-inch ceiling height, which not only opens up the living space, but also allows for taller shower surrounds, larger skylights, and more comfortable headroom throughout. Other notable construction details include flush floor slide-outs, which mean fewer stubbed toes getting in and out of slide-out furniture, and true fit slide construction, which gives you better seal alignment and fewer chances of leaks. You'll also find color-coded unified wiring throughout for easy troubleshooting and solar prep, and outdoor features like tinted safety glass windows, a friction hinge entry door, and aluminum rims that provide additional long-term value. Despite an impressive build, the Coleman Light line's true superpower is its towability. There's a good chance your tow vehicle can handle the model you have in mind. To know for sure, check out our towing guide where you can plug in your vehicle's make, model, trim, or VIN to find out what it can tow. But here's a rough overview to get you started. Coleman Light models weigh just under 2,700 pounds to just over 5,700 pounds unloaded, depending on the floor plan, of course. Considering cargo capacities, their gross vehicle weight ratings range from 4,000 to 8,000 pounds, which means you won't need a heavy-duty truck to take one on your adventures. For the smaller single-axle models like the 17BX and 17RX, many mid-size SUVs or crossovers with a 5,000-pound tow rating will do the trick. We're talking a Ford Explorer, Toyota 4Runner, or Jeep Grand Cherokee. Moving up to the mid-size and larger models, full-size SUVs such as a Chevy Tahoe, Toyota Sequoia, or Ford Expedition provide a great match and added confidence. Of course, any half-ton pickup like a Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado 1500, or Ram 1500 will have no problem handling these trailers. Even some mid-sized trucks like a Toyota Tacoma or Ford Ranger with the right tow package can pull the mid-range models. The key takeaway is that Coleman Light trailers are designed to be easily towable with ordinary family vehicles. That eliminates the need to invest in a heavy-duty tow rig. But as always, consult our towing guide first. So if you're after a low-impact RV that's easy to tow, make sure Keystone Coleman Light is on your list. Finally, where can you learn more or see these intriguing floor plans in person? Well, simply stop into your local Camping World. Thanks for watching. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you.